Right then, well done everyone on your performances at the quarterfinals. Of course, I'm going to be giving my critique now on everyone's performances. So we're going to start off with my category. KD, you did Rise Up and you also done Chandelier. I didn't think you had a terrible week this week. I must say, I did feel like in the rehearsals, it was stronger. But for me, it didn't take anything away from it because you did do what I expected you to do. And you did come out, you pushed yourself, you made the videos different, you changed it up. I like what you done with the Rise Up throughout there with the video and stuff, and I also like what you done with the visual on the second. Chandelier, I was a bit gutted we couldn't get the track in on time, of course, because I do feel like it would have helped it a bit, but there was certain bits that were not ending as well as they should have. Alright, but other than that, I think you've had a good week for quarterfinals, so well done. Rachel, I think you've probably had one of your best weeks yet. Both performances, you really put everything into it. You pushed yourself, you put everything, that you wanted to do in the performances. The first choice I thought was really unique and probably the most weirdest and unique you've ever been, that I've ever seen you. But it worked. It worked really well. You made yourself stand out and you sounded fab on it. And of course, with your second song, it was probably the best song I've heard you sing this season. But all in all, you've had two really, really good performances this week. So well done to you, Rachel. Lacey, I think you've had a really, really good week this week. Both performances stood out. It really surprises me, that you are 10 years of age and what you can do with these songs. And I felt like with Bring Him Home, it was very emotional. And for you to connect to that is challenging anyway for anyone. But being so young, the way you put yourself into it. And I do feel like that is something I'm starting to see blossom from you from this season. I do feel like you're connecting to the songs even more than I've ever seen you do with any songs. Normally you just sing them and that sort of thing, but I feel like you're connecting now. The second choice then, it was so nice to see you challenge yourself with something you 100% wouldn't have even thought of doing. And you absolutely smashed it. Honestly, two amazing performances. You should be really proud of yourself. Dan, I think your sound, for starters, was so much better this week. What a difference in the sound. So that made a massive difference just for me to be able to listen to and actually connect to it better. Now, your slower choice, I thought, was absolutely stunning. Probably one of the best I've heard you do this season. And again, with the second choice then, I thought that was a fab choice. There was little bits throughout that I thought could have been held a little bit stronger and stuff. But the fact that you came out and done that song anyway, you had a bit of fun with it, and the sound was decent, it worked. So well done to you. Right then, so up next is Molly. Molly, I think you've had a really good night. Your first performance I thought was probably the best I've seen of you this season. And your second performance then was a challenge. It was different. It wasn't, of course, your best. But I like the fact that you came out and challenged yourself, so well done there. On to Sam next. Sam, I wasn't too sure about the choices tonight. The Twist and Shout was a safe choice, I think. It was something I would have expected to pick. But I did like the falsetto notes in there. I thought they were the best they've been this season that you've tried. And you have been growing, but I still believe there's a long way to go. The first choice, Never Enough, it seemed to be out of time. And I know that obviously you do your own thing with it, but if I just felt like I was listening to something out of time. And I didn't think overall it was the best choice you've done. So it wasn't a terrible week, but I still think you could have been a lot stronger. But well done to you. So then we're going to come on to Joei. Joei, I feel like you've had two really, really good performances tonight. I know you haven't had the best of weeks yet at home, and that sort of stuff. But vocally, you still brought it to the table for me. I felt like you done really, really well on both performances. The second choice, I really loved the fact that you was more quirkier with it. And you kind of had this attitude in your face that went really well with the song. And again, you shouldn't doubt yourself, I find at the moment you're doing so well and you're really, really pushing your voice in places that you wouldn't have done before. But, from here on out now, I want to see you push yourself to your full limits. And don't go, I can't do it. Do it, because you can do it. But two overall fantastic performances, so well done. Now, Zach, I wasn't too sure what was going on this week. I didn't really get the a cappella song, to be honest with you. I was quite shocked that it was an Ed Sheeran song, because it did, to me, I felt like I was listening to like an anthem. I like the quirkiness coming out in your voice in it, which I've always liked when you bring that into your songs a lot. And there was a lot of that. But overall, I was just unsure of... it just, for me, it wasn't your best choice. But your second choice then, I was a bit surprised with, because I know we've heard this before. I've heard it before. And I just felt like it was really safe for a quarter-final. And I know it was up-tempo, but we've heard it before. And I feel like it was a step back because you've come so far since that performance and you didn't really change anything, and then you sang it as you did then. So it didn't offer everything that I would have expected from you in a quarter-final. But other than that, well done. Charlotte, there's not much I can say about you because everything I say is the same thing all the time. You really, really have got a special talent, and I think you've outdone yourself this week. My mind was for me the best performance, best vocal performance I've seen in this whole entire thing this season. Not just from you, but from the whole process. That to me is the standout performance I've seen so far. So well done on that. And secondly, then your second choice showed you becoming a little bit more comfortable with being in front of a camera, and that's nice to see. And it's not fully there yet, but it was nice to see that, because that's the only thing realistically you would be missing as an artist, is you being comfortable performing in front of people, or, you know, just letting yourself go a bit. So work on that, because you still got to work on that. But vocally, you have got to work on the top of your chest. I've mentioned that to you before, where you go into this like E sound instead of an R to let it out. But that's something that's just become an habit for you over the years. But that's something you need to work on. But everything else, I can't fault you. I really think you're doing incredible this season, so well done. And then last but not least, we got Sienna. Sienna, your first choice, Toxic. It wasn't a case I didn't like the song choice as of such, but it needed a lot more to make it work, if you know what I mean. Because it started off lovely, but it should have built then, and it should have built a lot more than it did. Because the track was going up behind you and it was getting more dramatic and more thing, and you should have gone a bit more dramatic vocally. But nevertheless, we can't take away the fact that you are doing really, really well this season in terms of growth, because you are growing in front of our eyes. Your second choice then, All About That Bass, was definitely the better choice this week, because that actually did build. I did hear you getting thicker vocally towards the end when that track was going up. So I did feel like you had a fab performance with that one, and I loved the visual for it too. So well done there. All in all, everyone, well done on the quarterfinals. Like I said, it's all about exploring and growing, and we look forward to seeing what everyone brings in the semi-finals. So well done to you all.